Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, April 4th. Here's the quote of the day. A professor is one who talks in someone else's sleep. W.H. Auden. Today, April 4th, is the 50th anniversary of the assassination of Martin Luther King in Memphis. Take a moment today to reflect upon this. There's lots going on in Memphis and other places to commemorate this tragic day. So take a look at those things. Let's look at this piece here especially on Stephen King here. Maybe some of you are a fan of Stephen King. In both writing and sleeping, we learn to be physically still at the same time we are encouraging our minds to unlock from the humdrum rational thinking of our daytime lives. And from Elmore Leonard, his 10 rules of writing. One of them is, if it sounds like writing, rewrite it. Okay, so back to the notes. Let's look at the schedule. We're in the Wednesday of the 10th week. Take a look at the essay topic list here and fix yourself a topic and start researching it. And here, let's look at this list for a minute. So what I'm interested in I'm calling this paper a research paper based on an anniversary date. So what happened in the year ... 8, and what does it mean for today? To find your topic for this paper, for what I call the anniversary research paper, choose a year that the current year, 2018, serves as an anniversary year. 10 years ago, 2008, 20 years ago, 1998, 30 years ago, 1988, and so forth. Then ask this question: why are certain people, events, or objects in that anniversary year important to us? This is an opportunity to research a past event, person, or object, and to argue for its importance or its effect on contemporary life in general and on your life in particular. To find a person, event, or thing you might be interested in researching, punch in a date that ends in 8 into Wikipedia, into a site like This Day in History, etc. So here are some examples. 2008 was the anniversary of the Great Recession and the advent of citizen journalists. 98, Mars Pathfinder lands on Mars. Princess Diana died. 88, table tennis became an Olympic sport. USSR withdraws from Afghanistan. The King David Accords. These are between the Palestinians and the Israelis. First women astronauts. 68, Martin Luther King is assassinated, as is Robert Kennedy. May 68, Danny the Red leads Paris student riots. Tet Offensive in Vietnam. 58, Russ Howell began skateboarding. He was one of the early skateboarding kings. Microchip was invented. Babe Ruth dies in 48. Arab-Israeli War, 1918. World War I, the Red Baron, the German flying ace, is shot down. May 18th, TNT explosion in chemical factory in Oakdale, Pennsylvania, kills 200. 1818, Frederick Douglass was born, the great black leader during the Civil War and afterwards, and Mary Shelley writes Frankenstein. So, and finally, 1718, on May 7th, the city of New Orleans was founded. Um, they are celebrating their tricentennial today. This year. You should make it to New Orleans if you can. That'd be a great vacation for you. So consider these topics and write a thesis. You're coming up with an argument. Okay, and we'll talk about the research topic and research question um, starting on Friday. Okay? So back to the notes. Where can I find the topics page? You can find it in the schedule for Wednesday today, and you can find it off of the key page here. I'll show you where it is in the key page. It's right here, 4RP topic list. Okay? And here's how to come up with a research question and thesis. All right? Okay, thanks. Bye.